Right, let's take that again because our bite of the week comes from Water Minister Matthew Samuda. He says if drought conditions do not improve, prohibitions will be implemented. Here now is our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
Prohibition orders speak to specifically irrigation and watering of gardens, lawns, grounds and farms, filling or supplying of pools and other things for domestic services, washing of cars would be prohibited, watering and washing of roadways, and any purpose that would require unusual or non-essential use of water.
I tell you what, Kelisha, if there's a reward for people calling you with the information about people watering their grass and so on during the time of the prohibition, I'll be on the line. I've already started that at my house. No watering of the grass.
That is good because I'm suffering from the restrictions right now. Yeah, serious drought. The Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break. Stay with me.